Guys, so today it is around 5th or it is around 1 a.m. and the guests are still up. There are so many people in my home that I cannot make a video freely. Like I would get interrupted every second I try to make one. So I just decided I would make one in the car, in the garage. I hope you don't mind. Well, if you mind, I don't care honestly, but still. Other than that, I just made a video on how to make a good, tasty, rich in protein and other nutrients shake on a budget too. So, also by the way, I just bought myself a tripod stand for my videos that isn't fitting on the car's front space. I don't know what it is called. I cannot fit that there, so I have to hold my mobile like this with one hand. It is what it is. So yeah guys, as I was saying that I have made a video on how to make a tasty shake at your home with minimum cost. We will need to get ourselves some ingredients for our shake. Luckily the market is near my home, so I just walked there. I bought 6 bananas, average size by the way, and they costed me 50 rupees, which honestly isn't a lot considering the quantity and quality, which is actually acceptable. And I just realized I bought a granola bar too. It is my first time trying this out. I just found out that protein bars and granola bars aren't the same thing. Surprising. It's time to chop up the bananas. Chopping up some more bananas because the more the better. Now 2 scoops of oats go in. Here's the brand I'm using for the oats. 1 spoon of peanut butter cause it's tasty, rich in protein, has healthy fat, contains fiber and is calorie dense as well. 2 tablespoons or 32 grams of peanut butter gives you 7.2 grams of protein. Dates are very important in my shakes recipe. You can never go wrong with dates bro. They are rich in sugar, protein, dietary fiber, minerals and some vitamins. The last line I just quote from Google, but anyways. Almonds are gonna be the cherry on top in this. And that is it. These are all the things we needed for the shake. Now add the milk and start the whole blender. Broke some ice for myself. I like my shake extra chilled. And lastly, some reviews from the little kids.
So we made this milkshake and now I'm trying it and I will review it how it is. Bismillah.
How good it is.
It's yummy.
Zemi?
Alishba, drink it. So now Alishba is drinking. सच बताना है ओके? टेस्ट नहीं आया तो और दोबारा ले लो.
कितना सा टेस्ट है?
अच्छा, टेस्ट में से तो
10 में से नंबर देना इसको.
ऊंचा बोला थोड़ा ऊंचा.
10 में से
1 मिनट रुको. 10 में से 10?
I am loving this. I want to drink more. टेस्ट नहीं आया तो दोबारा पी लो. पहली बार में इसकी वजह से किसी को टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा.
10 में से 10.
पक्का सच वाले हैं. It's your turn. Now drink it and अपना भी review दें please.
दोनों सेम है.
Obviously यार मैंने बनाया, अच्छा नहीं होगा तो और क्या होगा. बहुत मजेदार.
Sick one today. Okay, you can go. आपका काम खत्म. It's too yummy. I want to drink more.
ये है 10 में से 20 मेरे स्किल पे. That is all for today, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video because, well, I said so. See you all in the next one.